sick, bro. Hey, what's good, fam? Today we back in the stew with another video. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, I have a pair of sneakers that I for sure think are fake, and that's probably why I never wear these shits. So today we about to debunk this shit. But if you guys do end up enjoying this video, leave a like on it down below, subscribe to the channel for more content like this, and with all that being said, let's get straight to it. This has to be the most iffy sneaker in my collection, bro. I honestly feel like these shits are fake. I don't know why, but I need to know, bro, because I've had these for almost 2 years and I probably haven't worn these with an official fit simply because I feel like, I don't know, there's something about these bitches that's just not sitting well with me, you feel me? But thankfully the sponsor of this video, Stop the Fakes, is about to let me know if my shits are fake or not. Hey, we're in for a good one. Leave a like and let's waste no more time. We're gonna get some pictures of the sneakers, then I'm gonna hop on the green screen and show you guys the process of everything I have to do in order to get these sneakers legit checked. Thanks to the sponsor of this video, Stop the Fake, we're gonna know if these Jordan 1 band are authentic or are they gonna be stopping the fakes, because I'm not gonna be wearing these if they not authentic, you feel me? So hey, let's get straight to it. I'm gonna show y'all exactly how to do this step by step. It's pretty simple, but I might as well show y'all regardless. We're already here. The first thing you want to do obviously is sign up. I'm not gonna show y'all my information, so skip to when we sign up. So now you're gonna want to log in. How this basically works is you find the item that you're trying to legit check, so identify your item. Second, you purchase credits. Basically, it's like $1 or $2 per sneaker. It's nothing too crazy. If you want to have faster results, you can obviously pay more. Not necessary, but hey, if you're trying to figure out if something's authentic on the spot, you can pay €3 for a 15-minute turnaround, which is pretty crazy to be honest. I may be testing that for my shoes. We'll see in a second, but you have those 3 options. After you get your credits, you can start legit checking. So you click the legit check now button, you choose your product, and then you have to submit some pictures, so it'll let you know exactly what pictures they're looking for. And after that, you wait for your certificate of authenticity. So what we're gonna do is get this started. All I really need is the Express. Let's buy the Express token. Let's see what's up with it. Obviously I'm gonna block all this information. Y'all don't even need to see all this. Process that payment real quick. Basically we're in. Let's go ahead and hit sneakers, title, Jordan 1 band, brand, let's go Jordan, instructions. So right here is basically asking you to upload images of these pieces of the shoe, or at least of as many images that are similar to this as you can. So honestly, I had to take a couple extra pictures, I'm not gonna lie to y'all, but I did that. I'm gonna airdrop them to myself and upload them here. Over here it says no box if you don't have any box. You can basically say what you don't have, if you're missing the insole, if you have no laces, or they smell like ass or whatever, you feel me? Those are all things that do play a role when legit checking a sneaker. Upload the pictures and hopefully these shits check out. Let's put it for 15 minutes. We want this reply quick and fast. Accept political privacy or whatever. Boom. Check these sneakers now. Let's see what's up. Hopefully these check out because I want to wear these shits. I'm not gonna lie. So now your check is in. As you can see right here, Jordan 1 band. I'm basically waiting for this shit to go through. That shit was instant, bruh. Yo, these shits is dead ass fake, bro. I'm sick, bro. I knew there was something about these shits that just hit me wrong, bro. Like something just didn't let me wear these, and these bitches turn out to be fake. I am sick, bro. I bought these shits mad long ago. I've never even really worn them for a fit. I always had that feeling in the back of my mind that these bitches weren't right. I'm like, yo, I don't have a pair of band 1s, but I've had hella Jordan 1s, and this feels a little bit different. People say the quality's good and shit, so I'm like, all right, maybe the leather's tumbled, you feel me? That's how it's supposed to be. No, bruh, these bitches is fake. I'm sick. But one thing I do gotta say is that Stop the Fake literally stopped these shits in like 2 minutes. I'm not even gonna lie, bro. I clicked the shit to submit the check, and I'm over here finding where my check is to see like how long it's gonna take or whatever. Within 2 minutes, they knew these bitches was fake. So it's either these shits are hella fake or they got a good eye or some shit. I don't know, bro. But at the end of the day, I am sick of toi. Damn, so now I don't even have a pair of Bred 1's. That's crazy. I need a pair of Breds, bro. Fuck. I'm sick, bro. So we went on Stop the Fake and we legit checked these Jordan 1 bands. It turns out that these shits were fake, bro. I'm ever so sick, but I kind of expected it. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I bought these 2 years ago and I always had that feeling in the back of my mind that these were not authentic. So I never really threw on a fit with these. Nothing like that, nothing crazy, because I knew, bro. I knew it. It kind of sucks, but now I need to buy a new pair of Jordan 1 Breds. What an L, bro. Another L, another day. Shout out to Stop the Fake for stopping the fakes, because now I know that these are fake and I'm not gonna wear these shits for sure. Like, I'm low-key about to take these out the boxes and eventually I'll be in the market for a new pair, but for now it's just an L in the sneaker game, bro. Charge it to the game. I took an L on these shits, but Stop the Fake is gonna be linked at the top of the description if you guys are interested in legit checking sneakers. They also do cover streetwear, bags, and stuff like that. You definitely can go ahead and check them out. I'm gonna leave them at the top of the description. Once again, shout out to Stop the Fake for sponsoring this video. If y'all did enjoy, leave a like on it down below. Check your sneakers, because you never know, bro. Nowadays they're doing the authenticity shit and it's almost like a cloud where you might not even know if these shits is real or not, bro. But yeah, man, with all that being said, leave a like on this video, subscribe to the channel if you're new and would enjoy more of this type of content. Click the post notification bell so you're notified whenever we post a new video. And with all that being said, man, I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.